Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pudding with agar agar powder. First, understand that agar agar is a powerful plant-based gelling agent derived from red seaweed. It creates a much firmer set than traditional gelatin and is completely heat-stable. For a standard pudding, you will typically use 1 teaspoon of agar agar powder for every 2 cups of liquid. This ratio ensures a delightful, firm texture every time. To properly activate agar agar, always whisk the powder into a cold liquid first. This crucial step prevents any clumping and ensures a smooth mixture. Once combined, bring the liquid to a vigorous, rolling boil, maintaining it for at least 1 full minute. This boiling time is essential to fully dissolve the agar agar particles, guaranteeing your pudding will set perfectly and consistently. After the agar agar has fully dissolved from boiling, remove the mixture from the heat. Now is the perfect time to incorporate your desired sweeteners, flavorings, and any food colorings. Work quickly, as agar agar begins to set as it cools. Pour the hot liquid immediately into your chosen molds or serving dishes, then chill for a minimum of 2 hours to achieve that wonderfully firm pudding texture. For a softer pudding, you can slightly reduce the agar agar or increase it for a firmer result. Be mindful that highly acidic ingredients like citrus juices can sometimes weaken the gelling power, so add them cautiously. While agar agar sets at room temperature, chilling your pudding for several hours significantly improves its texture and overall enjoyment. Experiment to find your perfect consistency.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.